Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. But before we start with today's content, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will not miss out any of my new videos. With that being said, let's dive straight into today's content. Let's start here on the daily chart. Forwarding. Let's start on the forwarding. Here you can still see Jasmy coin has still this downtrend line, and on the bottom you can say this is a triangle. Also you can draw it like this. So therefore you can measure another price target that is not as big as the other one, just slightly below. So let's make this maybe this also like this. So maybe this looks more like you have more touch points, therefore it's a little bit more legit. Good. For right now, it bounced here from this green support line pretty good, once, twice. Also you can say, like I said yesterday, this could be a kind of a double bottom here with a price target of from the breakout here is actually, this is the neckline, and the price target would be here at 0.0239. So this could bring Jasmy coin to this resistance line, and that could lead into a breakout. If Jasmy can come over this neckline, right now you see a rejection, but it's fighting. Green, red, green, red, green, red. It's fighting. Therefore, watch out this level. If Jasmy will break through this level at 0.02, that could lead, as I told you, into a pump and maybe also into a breakout from this pattern. So the price target, that is a pump of 70% just from this double bottom, this W pattern. I mean, 70%, this on leverage, this is actually pretty nice and pretty juicy. If you want to trade, check out my links here in the description. You will get huge bonuses depending on your first initial deposit. You can trade this on Phemex or Bybit. Also, you can check out my TradingView affiliate link if you want to upgrade this on a pro version. So if this really turns into a breakout from this pattern, the breakout target is actually 150% pump. Well, pretty nice. But let's switch shortly here on the daily time frame to see a bigger picture. If it would come down here to this level, let's mark this out. So this would be was previous support, broke through it, and is right now, if Jasmy will come to this level again, this will be resistance. So if Jasmy will break this resistance, that could be massive, because then you have, of course, a couple of resistance above this line, above this area at 0.06. But I mean, it's not, well, it would be a good sign that Jasmy found here a bottom and a trend reversal. But as it started, the all-time high was at 0.36. As I told you, always, that would be a nearly 2000% pump. Or this could be a 2000% pump if Jasmy will come back to the all-time high here again. Actually, this would be also a pretty juicy area, and this one and this one, and I would say a area so this could also be a resistance area. You see a long way, resistance 1, resistance box 2, resistance 3, resistance 4, and resistance 5. A long way to a new all-time high. But it's crypto. Everything is possible. We have seen this a lot of times, that after a massive dump, a huge parabolic uptrend can start. Therefore, cross your fingers and look out what will happen here in the next couple of days. For right now, first, as I told you, this line has to break from this W pattern. If this breaks, next step is here at the price target. There come the EMA ribbons in and the downtrend line. If this breaks, next step is here at this resistance box, and the next one here at the price target. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you like my content, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. If you want to trade, look at the links in the description. Check out Phemex and Bybit. Some more links will come in the next time. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys and ladies.